It seems that lots of people like to make videos about their cats which they think are cute, and other people like to watch those videos of cats being cute. I guess because they're cute. Being an artist, I'm not that keen on just looking at a cute cat. I like to draw the things. So I decided to set myself a challenge of drawing 8 cute cats. Only thing is that cats tend to go and they're gone. So instead of drawing a live cat, I thought, why don't we get a video of cute cats, and I will pause it and make drawings thereof. Let's draw.